Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the lower refrigerator door hinge pin on this GE refrigerator, you will need a 5/16" nut driver, an 11mm wrench, and tape. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open both refrigerator doors, then use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the toe kick plate. With the screws unthreaded, pull the plate free. Use tape to secure the refrigerator door. Pry the upper hinge cover off, and use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the two screws securing the hinge. Lift off the hinge. Remove the tape, then have an assistant help you to lift the door off the lower hinge. You can now use the 11mm wrench to unthread the old hinge pin from the lower hinge. To install the new hinge pin, thread it into the hinge and tighten. Reinstall the door by positioning it on the hinge pin. Then close the door and secure it with tape. Realign the upper door hinge on the door and cabinet, and thread the two screws to secure. Snap the hinge cover into place, and remove the tape. Be aware, you may need to adjust the new lower hinge pin to level the door. Realign the toe kick plate on the lower frame and thread the two mounting screws. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.